Because I don't live here anymore. Tell me, can we get it back? Can we go back? Tell me, can we get it back?
Tonight, we go back in time. A Fiji Benjamin lock to sing the charm. Can we go back?
Tell me, can we get it back?
This a kind of love that we really want. Tonight, we go back in time.
6, 5, 1. Going to the one number called F1J1 alongside Mr. Benjamin. Introducing the legendary Lobby Baby Nine. You do that, did it.
Long conversations on the telephone. How you worry when I am not home. Sleeping in my shirt wearing my cologne. Wondering about the days being young. Feeling is mutual when you're not here. Every moment wishing you were near. Can't wait to come home to my family. You and my babies, that is all I see. Reminiscing on the day we met. That's a feeling I just can't forget. We've come a long way to this place we're at. Sometimes I just wanna rewind. Can we go back to the way you used to love me, baby? How you used to drive me crazy. Can we go back to the special moments in your memory? When it was just you and me. You know that I do love you in every way. And even if sometimes we do not say, you always know how to bring out the best in me. Without you in my life, I will be incomplete. Yes, you are my sunshine, my only one. I want you by my side till my setting sun. Please forgive me, I hope you don't mind. Sometimes I just want to rewind. Can we go back? Can we go back to the way you used to love me, baby? How you used to drive me crazy. Can we go back? Can we go back to the special moments in your memory? When it was just you and me.
Yo, come give me that QUALITY. Nothing more precious to me like you giving me time. Loving everything about you, baby, you're so fine. Proud to be the man that utters the words like yes, you're mine.
Excuse me, but tonight, we go back in time. And when me touch your body, I make you feel fine. And this a kind of loving that we really want. A Fiji Benjamin Loppy sing the charm. Can we go back to the way you used to love me, baby? How you used to try